How to reset Microsoft Outlook password. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser. Tap on the search bar. Now type Outlook. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now simply tap on sign in. Tap on continue to sign in. Now enter your email address and click on next. Now simply tap on forgot password. Now wait for some time. Now enter the code from Authenticator application. If you don't have one, simply tap on use a different verification option. Now select email and tap on get code. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up Gmail. Now copy the code. Now go back to the browser and paste the code. Now tap on next. Now create a new password and tap on next to save it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.